This is the window where I want to fit a blind roller. I want to fit it inside. So I found it very hard to find the exact measurement up to there, which is about 135. That means I will need the roller to be 131 centimeters. So I will buy a longer one up to here, then cut it to size. I'll share with you the details. I will start bringing my tools there. So I have to measure my window. So my window is 135 centimeters from end to end. So it's very hard to find exactly the same measurement in a blinder. So I have to buy an extra one which is a little bit longer than this. The next after one I will buy, let's say 150 up to here, then cut the extra centimeters. Okay, so all what I need to fit inside, more or less I need about 131, 1 meter 31 centimeters. So in this case I will buy a longer one which is larger than the window, then I will cut it to size. I will share with you the details of how I will do it. Thank you very much. So this blind roller is a little bit big for the window. The window I need is about 1 meter 31, while this one is 1 meter 50. So it needs to be cut somewhere there along the line. I've made a mark here. This is a small mark, and another mark here, which makes it 1 meter 31 centimeters. So this is the blind roller. So the plan is to cut it from there and make it fit the window. This part is metal. I need a metal saw to cut it from here. I'll show you later on how to do that. And this is just scissor. Needs scissor to cut this. Just material, easy material. We decided to cut it from the right side and leave the left side for the cord, to pull the cord from there. So wait and see how it's going to look. Now I'm trying to make a straight line here using this long ruler. Starts from that mark there up to one middle mark, which is here, to make a straight line. Really, it is very hard to find a long ruler. What I've used is the plastic part which came inside here to hold the curtain down. So really, this ruler should be here. It goes inside there, but I used it as a ruler to make a straight line from there up to here. So watch me how I'm going to do it. I'm trying to make it as straight as possible, holding it firmly against the floor. And from here, so like that, and with a little pencil here, draw a line. Draw a line. No, it wasn't that straight. Try again. Now it should be straight. And this is my line. Look at this, I've made a small mistake there, then I corrected it because this is slippery. And carry on with the line. Carry on straight line like this. This is our line is done. Now I need to cut it. Okay, now I'm trying to cut it with the scissors. Trying to follow the line as straight as possible. And this is not needed as an extra. Now this middle bar needs to be cut. Of course I cannot use the scissors to cut it. Impossible. That will be magic. So I'll use metal saw. Right. That's how I keep going. I just put it against something hard. Until I cut it. Finally. So now I have to put the end here. Easy. You just push it there. And that's it. It's done. Then the controller end in this side here. The fittings, there is a hole here. This tooth will go inside the hole. Yes. Go there. This end should go there. And finally, this is the final product. I've decided to make the cord next to the head. The bed is here. It just looks nice and fits to size. So I've made it happen. Finally, I have to cut this bar here, plastic bar. I have to cut it here. Hope you like it. If you don't like it, let me know. Or any advice, welcome. And thank you very much.